Blay Pibaro. I Priang Subhai Pisha dengan Tuk Kubor Juni Penyor Cable News. Hashwa bini kami ki kubor babanya na kejanmit ngena Hashwa skimat bekongsan untuk kubor mentag tayo. Ya ki project babain Shabar na ki externally aided project ki jelai kapan sia tang spon na kispa ang Menteri Pelatangka ke Sarkar Pedang. Dan jengtemu bare niktan lengdok tongkar ban mino na keseng UDP. Menjur Gajanti Hills Autonomous District Council ke resolution ban kerpat ek presiden ban kelai ki anti marpok kendau. Let penesok BJP UMLA berem ke West Shillong Constituency. Tur kinong elam ke JCOM SWA cha JHADC dawai ki anti doyong. Jure pusembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelai ke Juntua Surau. On penyak cipor ki kali na ke jaga urusina. But penkup buram ke KSU ki arp sangut ki samlai ke bala pendep ke jing kuliah Dr. Haneya. Ka Menteri Pelatangka ke Sarkar Pedang ka Nirmala Sitharaman ha kesisat jan Jakatayo balala. Kalau ong bakaram ke bagi Sarkar Jelai dan kamben siau biang kalong tang shipho na kesispa. Kat bagi Sarkar Pedang kan siau hado kandai po na kesispa ya kene garam. Ha kejing penteri kami ke projek bala bay tengka na Shabar neki externally aided project. Ka Menteri Pelatangka ke Sarkar Pedang ka Nirmala Sitharaman kala itu bakaram bagi Sarkar Jelai dan kamben siau biang kalong tang shipho na kesispa. Na kata ka shispa nak shispa karam ba penteri kami ki project ke bahap hapo gajing bay pisa na bar lane ki externally aided project. Habakran ni gelat patai kubor hasilong haka arpo trik ujeliau arhajar arpun rio. Kanir malas Sitharaman kelabatai bahapo kini ki project hadu kendai po nak shispa na karam balashim on siau do ke Sarkar Pedang. Kat bagi jela ki hak ban siau tangkum bashpo nak shispa. Kanir malas Sitharaman kalau ong ba ke Sarkar Pedang ka kit hadu nyupu arak shispa hadu nyupsan nak sispa nak jinglut barok kawai ke project. Kabelong ke jingker ku ke bakrau ke jela jeng ke tanch dalam mingi. Kalau ang bagini ke project lerap shibun ban penbahaya ki jingtai jeng ipat ba ki kam puli putih kilat ai jing hikai haki sap bar ki wei pat ki kam penroy ki bedan kam ya nak benta ke jingroy jeng jela. Kalau kedauru bahadin ke klam COVID-19 ke jingirap bisa lengba ke special assistance to states for capital investment. Kaba airam klam sud hadu san posnem bagi projek bapenteri kam lengba ke EAP route. Kila nok senyang shibuan ha ke jing state ki kampen roy ha ke tanch dalam mingi. Ndai kila penpau bawa wala ki jela kila ojing mentoy dengan ini skim. Ndai ke jingla ojing ki jela ban penkrek penteri kam bat pendap iki projek ha ke poru babiang kadang per nak ke jela shkawai pat. Namar kata kalau ko badan kam ban penklan ke bor teri kam bat ke jingla ojing ki jela ban wara syu iki projek batamai. Ban watlat ban penbahaya kini ke Menteri Pelatangka ke Sarkar Pedang kalau penlong ya ke seminar ke baar sengi ke belawan shim benta dari Menteri Rangba bagi officer na baru ke jela ke tanch dalam mingi. Bat hagani ke jingelang le keren halor ke jing penklan ya ke bor trikam jeng ke jela bat bania samru ya kinuk sa trikam ki basaiso.
Honorable Chief Minister, see the idea was that the externally aided projects have shown significant changes in these states, particularly in the northeastern states. And when we talk of externally aided projects, 90% of the loans are completely paid back by the center. The state only bears 10%, which effectively with the land, with other expenditures, would be about 72 to 74% for the states, and the rest is completely on the center. So it's a centrally funded. About 72 will be center's share, and the rest will be states. So it's a substantial benefit to a state, particularly in the northeast, where the center pays, as I said, close to 75% of the entire loan, and the state's burden is very limited to that extent. So it has a direct benefit in transforming the fundamental projects which are so necessary for the state, whether it is infrastructure, whether it is social infrastructure, schools or education, skilling related. So in the last at least 8 years since after COVID, we have found that on the one hand the central assistance in the name of SASKI, which is given as a 50-year interest-free borrowing to the states, or projects under the externally aided route, have both transformed the states of the Northeast. But even as we found that states were benefiting, we thought that the institutional capacity and the ability to convert the projects quickly in time and then have a pipeline of projects with which you can keep going on with newer and newer things were good in some states but were limited in most states of the Northeast. Well, for a state like Meghalaya, it will be very difficult for me to say this or that. But because there is activity in asset creation, um, building people-centric, infrastructure which is going to help them to, spread their wings. Whether it is investing in concert economy, whether you're looking at sports, whether you're looking at training young people towards, some of these new age industries. All of them are contributing immensely towards Meghalaya's growth. And I think that will continue, but I'm also seeing freshness about the way in which agricultural products benefit from value addition, and they can also now be exported. And export is not because we don't want to sell it in our country, but it fetches more price, gives you foreign exchange, and therefore every one of these sectors I'm able to see a lot of buzz. Well, I think Meghalaya has set a pace for itself, and people are also actively participating in it. It's not just looking at major big constructions of roads or secretariats or sports arena. It is also touching the livelihoods of people. Most of the projects which are being invested in are either creating newer opportunities for them or ensuring that their products which are being made by these people are finding a global market, and also creating. I was amazed at the thought in establishing this agriculture value add products out of the agricultural products from Meghalaya.
General Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar. Hagisngi palejung katayo, uloong ba ka jinghyar kerdan jang ka Meghalaya ha ka kerdan Performance Grading Index PGI. Kedai namar ka jing pamla ke sorkar ban penyak renti ke Pulih Putih. Kaseng Kongres kala penrem jurru ke sorkar pedeng bad ka National Testing Agency. Halor ka jinglat tu ke jingkeli ha ka eksamen NEET UG Arhajar Arpun Riau kabla tak jor ya ki R.R million ki samla pulih. General Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar ulapan pau ya kajing sokia halor kajing yo kerdan ka bahatrai do kejela Meghalaya ha ka Pulih Putih lengba ka Performance Grading Index PGI ha kari perokawai. Habakran ikilat patai kubor uba Manuel Badwar ula kedo ba ketenat Pulih Putih kedai ke kam ba ke sorkar jela ba ke sorkar pedeng kedai bene trailang. Bad omdai ke basyushan ya teli klem pensyongnya ha ke sorkar pedeng. Ulapan pau bawa laga Meghalaya ke penelut kambun ke pisah hak Pulih Putih lada yanujor bat ke GDP ke jela penban kane ke jing penelut pisah kam syamla ban penmi ya ke jing saisok ke babiang namar ke jing mamla ke sorkar jela ban penyak renti ki kam bat ki thong ki balamang habai itu shosho halor ke jing ke bakang lat ya ke bah kemiat ke Pulih Putih uba Manuel Badwar ule tu bakino hikayah ke jela kimat ya ke jing sya bensyat pelat bon ki kam ha ka bedai bat ki babon ki ai kabala penlong yaki ban klat no yaki kam ki bagi ban plat jengmut kum ha ka kam hikai namar baki ni ki bagi kam ki lakta yaki ha ka jaka bakin don baki kena pulih haba phai pat cha ka jengkaran ke sarkar balami no menteri rang ba ka jela konrad kongkal sangma ban penbiang kloi ya ka kerdan PGI unong yalam ka kongres ula kentat ya ka jing pengentiu ka jingero ya ka CM guidebook ula keno ba kejeng a jingerap palat daga basyam hadu ndropo nak sispa ke jingkeli nak kenika kot ka penduna bat pentelot ya ka jingmut jing perkat jing kena bat ka pendeko ru ya ka rukom minot ba jing trishtom ki kena pulih namar ka jing pensuk palat ya ka eksamen uba Manuel Badwar ula kedawru bawa la kini ki kot yarap ya ba sorkar ketemu ben kentio ya ka jing pas penman ka jing pas ki kena kelas 10 nak jela kadang sa atang hapdeng san pun riau nesan pun nyau nak sispa bat kalong ke bas ngau thamula ban kermen bagan ke jing pas kala ban kieu kensan syaka kendai pau nak sispa apo sisnam lada omla ban penbet ya ke Pulih Putih ulong bagan kan warra syusyu ya ki bagi ki jing kta.
The problem with the state government here is basically we are living in a notion that we have to keep on depending, the education system has to be dependent on the center, even though yes, as per the spending, in proportion to the GDP, we're not as bad as what the center is doing. We're doing far better, but it does not translate to actually results, right? So why it's not translating to results? I think it's because the government itself, in most of the time, in most of the cases, is not really focusing on what is required to be focused upon. There's a lot of opportunity which is being wasted. When I go around and I speak to many people from the teaching staff and who run schools and so on and so forth, most of the teachers do tell me, and it's a common knowledge here that everybody knows, that most of the teachers are burdened with so many other work rather than teaching itself. Yeah, right? So when you burden with so many administrative work just because the government wants certain data, and those data keeps on changing every week or so, it just shows that everybody is in a what we call as running helter skelter, right? You're like a chicken with no head, and you're running from pillar to post, and you're not going to reach anywhere. And if you have an education system which is like that, and you have the teaching staff which exactly is not being guided in the proper manner, then obviously education is suffering and will continue to suffer. I think the government has to put its foot down. We all know that the center itself is not concerned about the education system, whether it's in the state or in the country as a whole. But the state has to put its foot down and work on what it feels is a priority. Because this has nothing to do with politics. This has everything to do with the future of this country, the future of the state. And we cannot afford to keep on being like this, right? So when we're being rated as one of the worst, please remember one thing. It's not necessary. It could be also a government agenda, right? Because the BJP as such per se does not like minority run institutions, correct? And the minority run institutions in the state is doing fairly well, if you ask me. Yes, from the government's perspective, we are failing in many other parameters. So we have to strike that balance. And I think the government of the state knows a lot better than me, and they have a lot more data than me. So I think there are low hanging fruits which has to be plucked as fast as possible. And we just hope that they plug it as fast as possible, because we can't just keep on having lip services, right? Because I think we've heard lip services for the past 3-4 years now. And it's getting just worse as the years pass by.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC lengbau chairman ka social media cell ubak langku parwar kala pendermjur ke Sarkar Pedang bat ya National Testing Agency halo gejinghiar ke Puli Putih bag gejingla tu gejingkli ha ke eksamen NEET UG arhajar arpun rio kabla eduna ya ke R.R million ki kena samla wala la pelong biang ya ka ha ke R.3 ujeliau arhajar arpun rio habakrani kilat patai kubor ha ke R.3 ujeliau arhajar arpun rio ha Kongres Bhavan kaseng kala kedau bagi ni jing turmur kilawan naduk kesenam arhajar arpusau haduk bandahap ban pensenge ya ke eksamen UGC NET arhajar arpusau bat penkenri apor ya ke eksamen CUET UG arhajar arpun rio Hakabakian kum ka Public Examinations Act arhajar arpusau bat ka jing toket ke CBI kim chumlala ban khanglat yakini ki kambean shosho ke MPCC kala keno ba ka jing khanglat ke pisa sama gara shiksha ne jela kum ka Kerala Tamil Nadu bat West Bengal namar ka jing soy ke sekolah PM Shri ka jing khate ka mangtengka ka tanat Puli Putih bagi UGC hagasnam arhajar arpusau arpusan kajing pensange ke scholarship bagi jing perking ni kena retpat bat Kristan nadu kesenam arhajar arpulai kajing pendam ke Maulana Azad National Fellowship bagi jing weng iglen nong patcha mughal bat periodic table nagikot NCERT kalak ta shibun kaseng kalapan pauru kajing pentron ke Puli Putih namar kajing tali jong shimilian ki kam hikai kajing penyat ya ke silak sawajar sispa arpusan teligi skol tangda ibeino hikai bat ke report asar arhajar arpusau kabayatu batang arpulai point saw nakasispa ki kena kelas 3 ki banang ban pule ya ki kot kelas 2 Nagabenta ke Jela Meghalaya ke MPCC ke Penpau bakumba sawajar sispa andro pusangut ke samla pule kilahap bantu abiang ya ke eksamen NEET UG hakikat sautli ki jakai le eksamen bat katong ke Sarkar ban penkala da ki kam digital ya ke NEET ke senam arhajar arpunyo kan khanglat ki kena no kendong bat ki rulum namar tang kat kendai point nyo nak sispa ki sekolah Meghalaya ki badan komputer habinu jor bat ka handru pusau point nyong nak sispa agri berkawai. Lengba kini kijengken ni kerensan sorkar kum ka digital sansat Udais Plus bat ka AISHE ke Kongres Keladawa bu Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih udah benhar syuki no amardor. Kalian keseng Keladawa ru kijeng toket ke balat luat halor ka NTA nado kesenam arajar arpusau hado arajar arpunrio. Kajing penmi aga white paper halor kijing latu kijing keli nado kesenam arajar katfra. Kajing pensyai halor kijing ajing mut karada Krishnan Committee kajing tungkam mardor ya pralak saupun reu hajar ngut kino hikai bagi jeng penkiau kemang tengka Puli Putih syak reu nak sispa naga GDP ke MPCC kalau ongru ba ke sorkar pedeng kadai ban mat ya kene ke jingkeli ni ke bobon halor ke jing peteng ke jing latu ke jingkeli wat aga senam hajar arpun reu bat ke penram jor halor ke jing bamdan kano ke jing erap pisa kerpang ya ki kena samla nak tan stelam mingi ki bala ban pelot nak pelala jong ban tok biang ya ni ke examen ke baram dor.
Problem arises from a policy problem.
Yes.
And the policy problem arises from the fact that the government itself doesn't seem to be bothered as to how to uplift the education system in the country. So if you say it's too late, I don't think so, because we're not having a knee-jerk reaction. I think the details that he has spelled out is pretty comprehensive if you look at it from every aspect of it, whether it's budget spending, whether it's a lack of infrastructure, whether it's a lack of manpower, whether it's a lack of intent.
Yes.
The most importantly is the lack of intent as far as the government is concerned to improve the education system in the country. And if you've noticed that there's a lot of talk, right, you know that even the NEP itself says that 6.1% is what it recommended. 6.1% of the total GDP is a recommendation of the NEP to spend in terms of education. But if you notice that the government themselves does not seem to be spending so much. I think even if you look at the past 3, 4, 5 years that he's collected the data, it's coming to 3.8 to 4.6%. So that's a huge difference between what they have asked for and what the government. So when you translate that percentage, it amounts to nearly 30,000 crores of actually deficit in terms of money. So that will obviously translate to a lot of difficulties that will happen. See, the thing is, if you again go back to his presentation, he had also mentioned that if you notice that especially at the higher education level, when it comes to UGC and so on and so forth, which actually works on improving critical thinking. I think the government does not want people to have critical thinking at all. It just shows that the government only wants education to be a tick mark, and that's the approach in which they've been doing for the past many years. It's rearing its ugly face, and Meghalaya seems to be one of the states in which it's burdening the most, right? One of the
MLA nagaseng Reuluam United Democratic Party UDP naga Maukerwat constituency ubara nekton lengdok tongkar ula kentat bagadan kajingip herjengmut apa gaseng ne bandon ne kajing tumu ban mino nagaseng UDP haswaban wan ke election MLA ke banlong hagasnem arhajar arpufra MLA kaseng UDP na Maukerwat ubara nekton lengdok tongkar ula kentat i kubor badan kajingip herjengmut ne kajing tumu ban ino ekseng UDP haswa ke election MLA hagasnem arhajar arpufra Habakira ni kelat patai kubor uba renik ton lengdok tongkar ulapan pau ke jingkersan ke bapura bat ulero ke jingelam jung presiden ke UDP uba met bak lengdok. Daga bapen sisa bahapo ke jing peniat jung ke jing don ki MLA ke UDP kelanang klan bat kiau arsya nakah nerungut syaka kat arngut hagi yang dor bartawan ke jela. Uni MLA ulapan pau bo uyat halor kalenti ke bakim haga kamsan pertai haga constituency jung kam tam hadian ke jing syaeno hagi nong kersan ha ubnai yayong. Hakaba kumbalai hajar ngut kinong kersan bagi nong ilam juu kila petseng bat penesono bagi seng NPP. Kani kejing kala kila penmi kejing suba bagi jing kejing ken election juu. Namar ubak renik ton lengdok tongkar ula job da kejing tam kebarit baha mau kerwat. Kabalong tang sauspa san pra vote akasenam arajar katpra bat si hajar arspa anyo pu ar vote akasenam arajar arpulai. Penban ubak renik ton ula kedau ya kejing ketak jo kani kejing petseng de keboong bagi tu kibla le cek NPP hidai tang gebenta kebarit ni kinong kersan jong baru lepen scam ya kejing yang scam bagi jing IT bapura ya ke UDP haba open power kejing kermen menkering bat penpai biang ya kinong kersan syau.
I think it's too early. As of now, I'm UDP. I'm very much with the party. So I think it's still not right time to say anything on this. No, you see, public. I have faith to my people uh, that they will not leave me, even though you see that now, yeah, there are many who have joined NPP. I agree with you, but the election is just another 1.5 year. So it is still long time because people mind sometimes change even in 1 month, even in 2 months, or even in a few days or so change. So I don't have any problem looking from that aspect. At the right time, I think I'll try to request them to come back and support me. The vote in the last NDC election, we got 50-50. So now, yes, about winning, if I compare in that, we are still winning. We won. I mean, compared to NPP, we became the second, and BBP became the first in the last NDC election. So I will not be able to say they like us the most or they like the NPP because the difference is only 500 votes, not much. So that's why looking from that angle, if you judge, the people thought it seemed that they see us like we are same. I mean the trust of people that have expressed in the last NDC election. Yes, in the MLA, yes, we go back to MLA, yes, I won much more, 2-3 times than NPP, but it changed in the MDC. Pak Medba, to me, he's very good, very mature leader. Let me tell you the fact. He's very mature, and the decision that he took, always I saw he took the right decision, which is important at the time, considering all the situation. So, according to me, to my assessment, I have nothing to say or to see that there was anything problem under his leadership. And we should remember also that UDP, which have only 6 MLAs in 2018, under his leadership, we got 12 MLAs. So I don't see, because you see, at the end of the day, you have to count the numbers. So I don't think anybody can blame that the UDP has gone down under his leadership. Only thing is that he has increased to 100%. So, and also as a man, to be very frank with you, as a man, he's a thorough gentleman. And he is a person who think 100 times before taking any decision and consulting also with the leaders.
Kajantia Hills Autonomous District Council hakasing balang jogatayo. Kala penlong ya kedor bar bekerpang, hakaba kala menjor ke resolution ban kerpat ya ke presiden kari. Ban penkela ya ki anti marpo kendo ki bakongsan, ban ke sarkar pedeng na kebentaban ailat ya ke jingti doyong. Kumala liat naduk ki por ki bakam menchua. Ya kini ke resolution lawan rad Chief Executive Member Kajantia Hills Autonomous District Council ubak tombor siwat. Baglayo ekajing menjur ke yang dorbar ban kerpat ban penkelano eka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act ka kandai sepasan punyo ka Mineral Concession Rules ka kandai sepan ropo bat ka Coal Mines Special Provision Act arajar katsan. Chief Executive Member ulong ba ka paragraph 12AB jong 6th schedule ka aibor ka Presiden kari ban penkela ya ki Autonomous District ka Jela Meghalaya na ki an ka Parliament. Lani ban pentrekam yaki di gejing penkela kemudian kam katkum gejing snobit jong ka Presiden. Barulong ru pagka hukum giyang Syari Supreme Court akalai terik unaitung arajar ka kendai. Haka mokot duma ke Sarkar Meghalaya persya ya ka all di masa Students Union di Mahasau District Committee kalapan pausyai ba kitrai jaka tresnong kidan yaki hok halor ke jaka bat ki marpo kendo ki bedan hagini ke jaka. Shushu akan ke resolution na terwa ban ai license haki lai kerdan na kebenta keri luom jantia ke bekentup giriu shimet kajing tipar kakur ne kelong yang longsem kakadan baar na kebenta kajing tipar ki bap pedeng daki kenhun na ni kajing trilang bat kakadan kebalai na kebenta kajing tipar ki bahaya daki karkhana. Nalorkan niya di benbut renti ya ke Environment Protection Act akan dais pa apropun rio, ke Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act akan dais pa Anyopusau, ke Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act akan dais pa apropuay, ke Forest Conservation Act akan dais pa apropo, bat gijing peta jangan National Green Tribunal, bat jong kiyang Syari Supreme Court.
Ia kahok ia ke district council wo ulo benta na royalty wo ti le wo election le wo list na benta wo pat punya ia ke jinti ia ke mapo da ko district kini kahok yang council da chata na pat jing demi ichbun ia ke council hadir wa akan ia ke jinti kuyon. Kalau kamu tidak melakukan kajian dihil terhadap district council, kamu beri nanti office kepada pendukung dan kabor, pada kepada skam dan nariti secara yang dari India. Kau pelong rim kau pakai upon mi, ya kasur kau yang pakai, lilong dentia, lembah jadi tersusun. Mustahil semangsa. Kajian dihil terhadap district council, hak dorbar kewapura kewadalum perpang ini disi. Kuai wo perpang yang presiden dari India, lembah ulat ke dalam Mekalia, pat serta Mekalia, wo penmiki yang dijimpun benar, hapo kepala terap 12 EB yang bersekutu, jatuh hak wakitai ki an terserta den Hati mau pertrekan hati sekecil area yang dari janji yang diikut emako jadi setiap hari-hari ini katakan kini kijing pengkelang dua terkenal kata sedil of modification dua tersulang sirup potensial tersusun dengan statu masalah yang dipot kata yang walau di para member yang jadi keatas Siang hari, kue kecan lang, bagi ijing lang, lebih ijing bit ijing biang, yang dari janji ada di, bat ia di pajak, di macam senang, hantam, di WM, kecing tu, lebih di WM, kecing, kamai itu kecing, lembah kecing muyong, bat lembah kecing terangkat, yang di makro ndau. UM ada ni terjadi hari ini. Ini bentai ke dalam kata move on. Yang ketika resolusi seperti ketika house ini bentai upaya kita kata berkerja. Only this to work mesti selesai harus selesai. Ya ketika resolusi kuranglah aku ketika jumpa bagi yang ini. Dewa pengkendo wa kakam ketika resolution lene ikan ki para member yang kening atas house upani ya kebenain lene amu dawai ya tedi jengwa kiuman sabar kakam kening resolution how you pray kening resolution siani wa kening resolution hakko within the preview of the sectional. Macam wakani resolution mango kubian hon kamsda wini pra member wa katu ni itu kipuai nakermen wa nakalian ke isi nakalian ke terus repent wa na pengkala ki kajak itu begitu kamu untuk how kerja ia kini resolution hatu geno ia ke spirit yang ke artikel 2442 wa ke 225 kuang wa ikam ke council emi ke hak ko sencha da i ne beta ke jimat toy piom
Nai saat ini dengan bentar ki bayi pat ki kubor ngan sawan pai hadin kini kijing penmena.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka bisa kali jona kan ni ba ka hospital te ka laj kai nang ni
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por khamo
Sister, hap siu kat no ma?
Ka sarkar kalak siulut iki jing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka koridor.
Nau PCN yang ngejan miet ngena pai biang segi benta jongko kubor. Kador bar senong pot kro aksimbaar jongko tayo kala penrem jor regi beriau kebelasya akan no bagi ledan keti ha kejing temu ban penyap iu presiden ka KSU Ranikor Circle uba Marconi Thongni. Ubalong ru chairman ka VWSC ha kepor badang snai ka pankana patba lengba ka skim shispa asngi ha ka senong pot kro ka bahap apo ka Ranikor Civil Subdivision ha ka district Southwest Khasi Hills. Kadar bar senong pot kro kala penrem jor yau ba specs imli bat ubiang singsons imli besya keno bidan keti bat mu ben penyap adung degatari ya Umar Koni Thongni presiden ka KSU Ranikor Circle ubreru chairman ka VWSC akapor bagadan dan kejing pentrei ya ka skim sispasni banchna ya ka pankana patba ha ka senong pot kro ha ka maharam simship ka bahap apo ka Ranikor Civil Subdivision ha ka district Southwest Khasi Hills. Nakaliang uba ship barlan yaw penyau Menteri Senong Pot Kro abakran nigilat patai kubor. Ula penrem jor ya kejing temu jeng nigi arngot ki bertemu ben shim kejing im jeng Marconi Thongni. Bad kelada waru nigi bocong aan beki dengan kem bad ben instam niki. Cucuru leto ba kini kejing ja kalaja menhaka kat kendai trek jeliu arajar arpun riau agapor kumbakar ash tengi elensi agapor barangdan kejing pentrei sispa sini. Mereka insan arngot kubriau kilawan nak tuk Bat Maria Hyar kelakan drop yo chairman jengka VWSC bat persyang Bandung degatari nasyadam. Meridan bok bagi patba keliyok bantan no agaba Marconi Thongni ulalat nak jengyap bat ulaman saujur. Kaba weipat belatip kerteng kumukit borlang lengkoi ulaman sau malumala. Hagabay bagani kejingja ki pulit kelakem no gini ki arngot bat kila register ya ka mokot duma.
Menteri Senong halor ketu ka jingjia haka kat kendai tarik jung ubenai jeliu arjar punriu kapor kumba kar arsiteng kajing wan jong kitu ki arngut ki breu ban wan Bandung daka wat ya wei u breu jong ka Senong jongi u balong u charman jong ka BWC ti kum ka Senong hi barok ka wei ka penrem jur halor kane kajing le ru klau jong ki itu ki arngut ki breu namar hakapor baki wan ban persyang ban dungyap pi ubreu ru kadeh hakapor bangi trei Senong ni trei pajba ha kane hi kajaka namar ka kadeh ka jing trei public toilet hangne ha kajaka ti ka jingle jongki ti kum ka Senong ka khau hi borok ka wei ka paremjur na banta jong ka jingle jongki wei u spek imle bat paar du biang singson simli kita nakabenta kajing penpau ya kajing penrem kajonga ni ya ka kam bangi sedang bantre ya karne ka jing tre Senong kajongi kade ka por rasteng gitu menstep te ya kajing tre kajongi te kajing wan khang kajing wan thombor kajong kipat kade ka por rasteng te kata ka jingwan kajongki hamar baki wan tuan dakabat no wan dakabat te marsen hiar nakabat te ki suwan kenrubet ya u charman juga BWSC bakerteng Marconi te hakata kabor hakapor baki kenrup te we u wan tang dakakti sudah but we naden pade ura kapla di kaplakung te hakpor ba ulah kenrup utawe uba dakakti sudah ti utawe pat naden ya kakti utep hapo kapla te hak ta kapori ulah se kawat te namar bakila kenrup kuntu rengkat te ki badon hang turu ki klemle ki klemla banle namar ki suwan bet kuntu hi andre namar hamar bayu i ba ulah se utawe naden dakawat ti ki utahi ki itu ki badon hang tu ki lebat no ti ula yo Bandung na ya u Marconi Thongni na ka sedem henrei ka jingyo klem mensaujur ka jong u ka detang namat baka jingla jong ki pajba baki layo ban yada no takapor ti henre lada omdon ki pajba ak takapor ban tan ya u markuni bat ya tahun ya kita ki badung si ni ngatarai ba tau bru u markuni ru la koi wat sa ka jingyap ru lada pindon kita ki pajba senong ti hadin katu tangkum tohi ki pajba senong paro khoj kilawan ban nak benta ban yale ya kata ka jingwan mu peniap ka jongki bat tohi tang si pangru nila pun no ya ki kulit nakpo karan to hadin kuntu ba melawan ki kulit ke kala long no ka jing jai ta ka jinga kumar tu na menta jong kini ki bawan kumar senong bat ya kata ka kam bangi ya tre bandu slap te hadin balawan ki kulit tinglayo ban pendap ya kata ka tre kapor bangi slap ya ka publik toilet nakaliang jungi kum ki nong sing senong ti ngila donru ya ka jing ya keren ya sutu jingmut ti dawa ba ki bor jong kaan kidei ban simkia halor kane kam namar kadei kakam kawa siap la ban long kawa susi namar kala ban kilakmu ya kajing sim ya kajing im jong bril te namar kata te kibor jong an sobha ban simkia na banta jong katu kajing dia
Hadian bakladan gejing tua ke bajur jong kesurok Shillong Dauki harum kesenong lat lengkot kebalaja menhaksing ublay. Banlap ega daw tenrai jong ene gejing ja kabala pendukut sendon ega surok bat ega let kawan. Hakala asngi ublay jong katayo usembut menteri rangba kejela ba Preston Tensong ulalet banjurip ega surok kabala tua bat let ru ban kemi benya ega surok kesenong teli ya kabala temu ban pa ayat shipori kikali ban let ban wan na Shillong chapen ursla bat ki jaka ki pamarjan. Hakini kejeng jurep haka arpu artrik ujeliau arajar arpun riau rengkar badu ba Preston Tensong le dan lang MLA ke seorang ba Gavin Miliang u Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills u Abilash Baranwal u Secretary ke Tenat PWD u ba Bibat Siem Commissioner ke Secretary ke Tenat Revenue and Disaster Management Ikong Matsudor Warnongri u Superintendent ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills u ba Vivek Siem Ihe Officer ke Sarkar Jela bat jangka NHIDCL bat kinong ikmat jangka company ke Besnaik Surok Shillong Dauki Uba Preston Tensong berkemi benia aru ika jinglang jingman jeng surok kabla jular. Lalit uban pet kilat kelenti kumno ban lea pandasnab yang ika surok. Kani ika jing jular jeng surok kala penlong ru gibor pindak distrik ban kang sipor ika padba bergi kali ban yad ika surok ngamar bakan bu ika jingma. Kani ika kenhuan kala let pat ban pet na sasilyang jeng surok deka bayat lengba kasnong teli. Lengba kejaka jeng hui riu shimet belatip kerteng kumoba KL lengkoi ni uba krik. Henry onda kilapoi jika nega jaka shim lala ban ibhai ke jing jular namar ke jing reben palat jong ulo. Hadin ke jing wan jurep ke surok bala jular bat kumjo ke surok ha ke snong teli. Kumta usembut menteri rangba ke jelau lalu me ke jing lang ha ke IB ke badan halat lingkot benetai sani ke jing nan kam manshim ke senjam ke babiang da ke baburu ha kemat ya ke bah kemiat ba ke jing singan jing pat ba nolet nowan. Habai keren baru ba Preston Tensong hadian baladep ke ke jing nyalang Ula pentip bagajing yalang hadian bagala syang perkat bah kala shimekarai bagajing shnai kene kesurok ke tua kan shimpor bonsngi. Dari namar bagadan ke waipat kesurok jang ubak krik ke baniat lingba syadu lat kenso umtala betha ke penat PWD bakan penkre ya ka jinglot dan ke estimate mana kaliang jok NHIDCL kan sepenkloy ban penyo ke bah tengka kanang bani asna no mardor ya kene kesurok ke bagi pat nonglit nongwan kinyo banyat no shwashipor. Habakli yanun keno alo kejing tua ke kandau la kadai na kejing torti ke company ke besnai ke surok ne kadai na ke bor jang kamariang. Uba Preston Tensong uloong ba an amla than man keno ke company nama kejing jerpul uslap ha kemiat jang ka arpau terik u jeliau arajar arpun rio. Kan aduk ba na ke wa kalong beserkai ke balakit roi ke mesin ke bapentrei ke surok Hajan Dauki. Uloong baya ke jaka ke batuat ke dan kam ban penhoi bahai ki mau ki beran hapo jong kani ke jingkiang nang ba anda jur slap ke jingtu jur umru kan yo ban sakut ne ban kesam kelas ke surok dek kan yo ban no bet wa uloong bala bataru ke NHIDCL pada ke company bakin ban jurip bahai ki jaka ki beran ki wa duat ki bala ban he ke namar balawan kan liur pada kini kendiat seni banwan Deputy Commissioner ni alam ke jingjuret nadu lat lengkot jeruk syarum jang ke Ursula ban pet yo dong dan kidu negi jaka ki be isong sir nang ban yo macam kian umar doa
ilarai ba ban repair le ni ban snai kan ni ka surok ke belah tu akan bampor tinggal inspect ru ngelawan ban pet side ya kadon kan ni ka bailin ka bingala ban ong kaban long temporary kaban yai lang ba nadu na like kan so nang ka tuka jaka parmau jong iba krik kan mi halai kan so kan mi anong thamai kan mi ha thli yom moyong pat kan poisa lai lokot teng lai sim ka rai ba nakaliang ka state pludi kin le wood ya kan ka estimate hakaba menta ka sngi kin sedang ya ka estimate balasai bat kumju ru nakaliang ka industrial maria submit magi ka estimate kin sa proses maki na bentaban yo ya kan ka sanction nang ten head office jongki rei nginam up adu banayo sanction ya ka kamru ngin sedang no side by side kanang ba kanika bailin le ka bypass ngin la ban play no kloi ka bala tangin nam pala ban ong dong no damar ba hap ban bam shoy tulung te nakaliang jong ka namaria kani ka NHSL kala engage ru ya ka IIT kini ki klawan kilau dan nang site kin study ya kan ka soil condition kin study ru la kalong ne mat sa jingking la ne ka kam ka bakin le ya ka tangin empat la ban ong kuma ngopi ya menta ka syong ha ka technical team ka bakila engage ki expert bakin page bet ki kami kanang ba kumno ban ya ka kam nang ni sakamat te hakabai dei bat kanika ki pajba jongni ka ba tangkawai ka banga kerpat ki than penusla ki than ki ba hab hakasila konsensiru ki ba ya nakanika surok silong dauki ka banga kerpat ki pajba kelong kini ya sitom lembat ka sarkar hakaba ngin persang kad bala ban perstet ya ka kam ban la ban pendep ban nemthut kali kawan te nang ta ka jo poru ngila suya keren menah ka meeting ha ka bangla ong yo DC ba un page ru yo lesi kadon ka jingkiu palat ki marbam ki mardi lane ka transportation ya kan ru ngala pa examine how deputy commissioner ba un page un kmi larja badon gum kata kamot nakaliang government ngin step in kumno banirap ya kata ka jingkiu kensan ka marbam kamardi lani ka ya kayeng jongki pajba jong ka than pudusla konsensi bat kumjuru jong ka than sila konsensi hi barok kawe pi ya kane ngin namla than ban ong ban kono ya ka company ru namar ba ngimpoi perkhat ba ka jingjur ka slap ha ka tuka mid Saturday kala long ka basur kai ha ka ba ka jing tut jong ka jing mi jong ka jong ka wa ka bala sir kai kat hadu ban kit wat ya kin machine bat kan ni kam de bajia tang hang ni ha room lai lekot te sha ka te ka surok kamishna sha te ban mi sha dau kiru kisakit kitu ki machinery te katu kalong ba ngimpoi perkhat ba hadu katu kan jur ka slap te kalong kumju ru ya kan ni ka te hnrei ka wei ka mangi pej mena po ka site inspection ni ong mi ai tu jaka bat tu kana ka ka balong ka jingking balak mo de bat khoj bhai kitu ki mau ki basakut la ki badon sa site khanang ba lasai nda ka jur ka pressure jong ka bakat ka kan nom yo ban sakut la ni kam no yo ban divert sa rock la ni sa ka diang sa kamon kan ya ben no sati sapo slope la ni sa wa kata ka de ka bangi kren pengla ai ka direction ka ba clear ya ka NHSL bat kumju iko company ba kin bisar bahai ke bakum kita ki jajaka don la se ki wa do la ni ki stream ke bingong ki bangim poi perkhat bakan he rawa ten re menta na malas dangga labba kelas dangga liur ke besisa hapo ka de than jongi tengila ong ya ki bakin long husier bat ka don ru ka jing ya ki ai ka direction na kaliang jong la district administration po je lam jong disi ba hak ni ki khadet sngi la sha le sngi kin pelong ru ya ka joint inspection ter nadu nang nena lai lengkot chadu chatesha rum punusla ban pe yo rang don kino jaka ki ba iting ki ba ima ki ba isong sir khanang ba ka company bat ka NSL ka deban simkhia kum do ban pentingna bakan budon kano no ka jigjulor ka bakum kani
Ha kesingi balang jagatayo gejala Arunachal Pradesh kelamat kensan ya ka jingshlai ha ka babun ngut ki beriu kila mensau bandang kaliang ki bor ki beri kemi kidang penlong ru ke jingwat ki beriu ki bela syara ha ka ki bela jah ke distrik kum ka ki Panior Lower Subansiri bat Papum Pare Haga jingja shlei haga jela Arunachal Pradesh kepala jaha ke Arab Sautrik jeliau arajar arpun Rio kibor yarap kidangla ban Shem Yakamet jong kawe kelong kemia kabadi keno hikai ha ka Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalay kabakerteng ka Nirmala Gupta bat kebalai pesan senam karta kat ba kidang dan sasangut kibriu kebrang jar ngai kibakentop yo Elish Marak kalai senam karta Balari Marak lai senam karta Tau Anjina Sapudro Senam Karta bat Saurav Kumar Sapudra Senam Karta bat kikenhuan ka State Disaster Response Force bat National Disaster Response Force kidang penolong ya kejengwat yaki hagan ni kejengja kumba arpau ngot ai kibriu kila mensau bat lai ngot naki kiba mensau jur bat kidang ya jeng sumar ha ka Gyati Taka District Hospital Haziro ha kejengjer uslap bak arp sautrik ujeliu ha kejela Arunachal Pradesh kumba khat pratli yang basa ginong trei jong ganip ko hajan yazali ngasha rong bat kumba sanut ngaja akan kejengja kani kejengja shlai kabakan san ke distrik kum ka kei Panyor Lower Subansiri bat Papumpare kani kejeng shlai kal penjat shibun ki yang kisam bagi thano kendong kamtam ha kei Panyor district ha kaba kawa posa kala he kansan bat telep ikijakasa ginong trei ganip ko hajan yazali Haga bakat pratlik yang gelas arong bat penjar ngai ya sangut kibriu hagani kejengja ishnong kum ka luksin yi wan bat yi tu kilamat kejeng shlei ke bejur haga bak yang bat lengkarat kila shatap lup haku kebala penjat ya kayo kokot jiginong shnong namar ka jingwan telep ko haga Panyor Lower Hydroelectric Project ki bor penyat kilahap ban plie ke kerdop laj bat penhiar ke jingkiu ko ha kani ka dan kala dan ro ka jingjular ke babon ki surak ba kum ka ICR Hoj Yazali National Highway ka National Highway ba Katlai ka National Highway ba News pa Katlai hagi jaka kum ka Kalamati kebelawan ra ke jing kali ka jingking Hoj ke bapniaso ya ka pake kesang bat ka East Kameng kala tekut kani kala penelong ya ki hendreu teli ki distrik ibarna ka than sepni kum ka Upper Subansiri Kamle Lower Subansiri Kurung Kumei Kradadi bat kei Panyor banduk kejingnya sok bat kei pat kejaka kekenhun jok Indian Air Force rengkat bagi kenhun yarap ke National Disaster Response Force bat State Disaster Response Force kilawan manai kejing harap kebadan kam na kebenta kinong syong shnong Kinong yalam jong Gajantia Coal Owners, Miners, Suppliers and Workers Association. Hagas ni balang jong katayo kilalum bat ra'ru iki plakat apalau ke office terekam jong Gajantia Hills Autonomous District Council. Bandawa naga council banwan ra iki an hakabayday doyong kaban plelat no ikinong ti doyong kibaret bakin yo biang ya kalat ban beteng ya kakam ti doyong jongki. Ya kini kejingki lelam dok Presiden jong Gajantia Coal Owners, Miners, Suppliers and Workers Association uba Marshall Biam. Ubale lam me kejingki daga bersat dengan haduk kan berusni. Akabale don lang kinong lam bagi dikot ng raseng kilara ek plakat bandawa na Gajantia Hills Autonomous District Council bagan chimkya daga bataw no ilikian kebiadai bad udawyong harilum Jantia kenang bakan plelat biang ikinong ti doyong kibaret bakin yo ban ti doyong namar beglamat ya kejing jenjar naduk bakan National Green Tribunal kalakang ya kejing ti doyong bean naduk kesenam arajar katsau hagani kejo kesni kaba ke association kalapenong ya kejing ki nakaliang jong ke executive committee ke Gajantia Hills Autonomous District Council hapok kejing alam chief executive member uba Thombor Shiwat lawan ra ega resolution bat menjor ke darbar kerpang ban kerpat ega presiden kari ban penkelai ki anti marpok kendau ki bakongsan jong ke sarkar pedeng hapo ka para 12AB jong 6th schedule kemenyak rengkat bagi jumlah tenrai ke rukom bat jaka hari lum jantia.
Niti daw mudwan ini plus kami servile menjadi saksian diyonga wa kandusi hadin de kandusi habdi kita de kuti ne yang government u yaklam kudu chief secretary ada ke tim yung i de komshwa da lai go u chemo chief secretary de bu i demand yung i nung kong wo khang du muyong wan nabar jela wa arga demand yung i to peman anya po diskonsil nam tau muyong wale to lai lo phi ga mo phi mo chwa ite da wani ke jingwan ini wo ra ini plakat uman gam kadak wo de kular i de kular chips secretary wa ongi ke diskonsil wo chnaan ba ini tam yong te iguble ile ya CMM brom di chimkia wi gani kam kamju yo opposition leader manri sulai le wo de chimkia Ora ge opposition leader ki emarolling le chimkia ini wa ni da man decision go karpang te leklam hakatuga anyi di mara te wa to da to go wa chispa haktar wa yu ki enrei isau to i bo Meghalaya constitution year e bor i wa em to wa schedule area wo pa ye kandau chep isau to i wa gani da council district council ka em go bor em ga tiar haka kenni sket de keben sket i nagaliang ngajukum shwa wada man session kerpang ni gini wada pas resolution le wa naduk ikan gidoi le ye guki kete to ga jingwan yung ini wa umani wan saki wa tok mom tok sket kat kam ga wada kular gi ye dan re use sket ini wada man sket ga wada pas gi resolution wada kediang gi kam ga wa jiman yung ye ga kam tua itu for wa ikut gi wa reduce gi dia juga di hektar dan ni dah ongi wachi hektar di wa yo hauken go yo anu le jigi buki dan yo apply ya kita gi license te ikubleis ket ye ki wa da chimkia ket di NBC wa chinas ket ye ni an kam wa sang wa nadu sedang ni jingmut ke yang i ka thong yang i wa i mem beng ga di sigonsil i kwa yo penim ye ga di sigonsil ikwa iwa kaniga wada iga constitution India ka kaniga state yung ka to yaine go patin di patin lada yo gi port gi woman chwa bon gi bru timit ga di sigonsil te ya phet bai gi chakata high court supreme court mata mo hare nagaliang yung iwan i snawi ongwa i burami ga di sigonsil wat hadin ga jingya laga tim gi yung i hadin ga jing chakkan gi yung wada kanrus sngi Haga kantus sni hapdi te da em gajing chakut i now chief secretary te kitim yung i da lagi haga kanya tarik chief secretary but the promise to chief secretary le wa yegeni gi jing da wa yung ki kamat ko da wa nangkong to da wa yung khang yung wan na bar war gajing da wa yung i ko man anya ko di council kete tak amat ko nang kong do wale to wayong yung phi ka mo juk andai ka promise yung naga office yung chief secretary anni daman go seso deklam gi ka JHDC te ikuble yung chief secretary le ka mo promise i association daman go seso te haga jingla luti yung i de test man kathong yung i wang yung tiga ni order ko pas kini resolution jadi use ket i wa KMDC di chimkia ket ki naduk yo question naduk ki rolling hamtam yo CM ngeliang i option i kublei wa chimkia wi gani kam sa tho ba i gani to ka hok ka ganti yung ga jai benru yung i te segawi garpat lo ya ka sarkar wa skabha naliang yung pi wa pulam i ada em ga assembly session yung pi opposition pulam yung mentam yung china i galat talpi to i galat talpi kani to ba jinggar pat ni naga jakam shwa
UMLA Barem ke West Shillong constituency uba Mohendro Rapsang hakasi ba arjung tayo rengkat bat lagi nong yalam bagi nong Krishan kilalit ban penis sono syagaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Hagini kesengi kinong elam ka BJP kila penlong ya kejingelang hakaba kila pediang sobha yo ba Mohendro Rapsang rengkat bat kinong kerjaan jong u. Haka arpulai terek urjiliau arhajar arpunreo u MLA berem ke West Shillong constituency ba Mohendro Rapsang rengkat kinong kerjaan jong u kila peni sono syakaseng BJP. La ban kedau hang ni ba Mohendro Rapsang ulami no na keseng MPP kabayalam ke sarkar MDA. Halor kani uba Mohendro Rapsang ulah kedau bagi jenit punya sok jung u berseng BJP ke degarai nak benta ka rensan ki kamsan pertai jung uhi. Ka jungan punya sok uba Mohendro Rapsang kalong hapadeng ka jing persang ke bejur jong keseng BJP ben peniar ke jing terekam jong ka hagajela. Kamtam haba ketemu menekon ki election MLA banwan hagasnam arhajar arpupra. Hagani kesengi lap yang sobha ya uba Mohendro Rapsang bagi nong kerjaan jong u do presiden ka BJP Meghalaya rengkat ka jing dan lang UMLA na kaseng BJP ubalang ru menteri sarkar uba San Borshulai rengkat kiwai pat kinong yalam. Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Rekman G Momen ulpen pau ubun kiwai di kinong yalam kamsan pertai ila banwan rong sya kaseng BJP hagin kisi banwan. Momen ulia ru ba katong jong BJP kalong ban peniar ke jing syakri joka syakipat ba ban penbiang iki skim ke bawan nak sarkar pedeng bagi dai ban poi bet cigi beri kebedan kam bat ke badai hok penyo. Uba Mohendro Rapsang habakran hilat patai kubor uliat hu bakarai jung uban penia sono ke BJP kalong nak benta ka jingroy bat kalawai jung ka kamsan pertai.
As I take this significant step, I'm honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The DGP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family.
Hopefully, with the joining of Mahendro, with each and every one of you, we work together as a team. The Bible or all the Holy Books also teach us that even to your enemy, you should not push him or you should not hate him. Based on my social and political experience, those opponents during my election, since 1994, which I have contested, and till today I have won 9 elections in my political and social life. Even to enemy in the next election, last 2023 election, there are about more than 2,000 voters, they did not vote for me. But this time, all those 2,000 are joining the BJP, they are joining us in vote. And hopefully next election there will be no candidate to contest against me.
Ideological journey. His life was a testament of courage, conviction, and compromising love for India. Dr. Mukherjee reminded us that national integrity is non-negotiable and that every citizen must enjoy equal rights in every corner of our country. His sacrifice continues to guide the Bharatiya Janata Party as we work to strengthen our democracy and uphold the unity of our nation. On this sacred day of remembrance, It is also my privilege to welcome a respected leader into our family, Sri Mahendra Rapsang, a former MLA, joins BJP today with a commitment to serve the people with renewed purpose and dedication. His experience, his connect with the grassroots, and his willingness to work for Meghalaya's development will greatly our collective.
Kal jong ke BJP kelas sedang banbe ha mulai constituency hadian bagani kesengsen pertai kala tahu ke mandal komiti bopura jongka ha kan opai sengi jongka arpun ru trek jeliau arhajar arpun riau. Kani kalau ngapok kejenglam ubah sensyar mayong kumu presiden lembat lai pun rungut ki dekhot jongka mandal ke balong kadak jong kejeng pen krek lupa jongka seng na ke bentar ki por banwan. Ya kini kejenglang lepen long hak office terekam jongka BJP ke badan Habibur Road ha kejengan lang presiden jongka sengsen pertai BJP urikman Jimomen unong aiktian keseng ubah MH Karkerang u MLA ubah dairu menteri kesorkar jela ubah Sanbor Sulai lembat kiwe kinoket kam jong keseng. Habakran ni ginong patai kubor unong aiktian keseng BJP ubah MH Karkerang ulong bakani ke mandal kan trish tom nak bentar ke bahal kamiat jong keseng berulai yetho bakal lalet lupa bon teli ke benai ke belas sedang banjat ke kena kam bad dai tak adu ke sengi ke baki lalak bantau ke kena mandal kabalak banlong ke ke bapen ke men kena keseng. Ubah MH Karkerang ulapan benaru bahaka election ke belalet bun kiwe kesengsan pertai kimnut ban penyang yang laki kertong. Nrai datang ke BJP ke banut ban penyang kertong wala kampat doni kinokit kam ke bapura hakitu kipor. Nrai menta namar bagila doni kinokit kam bapura keseng keseyok ban penyang yau kertong upa biang tam. Ulapan kot da ke boong bagi BJP kam jutre kam tang haswa ke election. Nrai man badap kawai pukawai ke election ke lapan krek lupa ya kawai pat ke election ke ban bot.
Aku presiden jongka mulai mandal. Pi kalau mune, aku jiak nanti ke jongi buat couple tips. Ngilaya lagi katuk ni teli kisna. Ngilai don bak away hadirin kawai parti. Di hadirin bangilaya ya kum tang ya telun ni kam. Tehenrai kamtan kanu kajing seiso nak kita di parti di bangi ngilai don beta. Lu tak kisna di balai. Dia kai ke pelong yang bangan siem ya kesenjam bangan penyeso LD sa PGP kadai halo kanong rem bapa bun hi ngisutip tang ki central scheme ki bawan lakas nong kalong hagin ni konsesi na kan ya ka konsesi mulai jauh bakata kalong bagi don ki breu ki jongi hapo mulai ki bah hakajing sisa ki di ban yo ya kita ki central scheme ki bawan tehenrai Kimyo sa tiya kita nama balik Om Don bay lam nanti ki Om Don ba penin nanti ki Om Don bay harap ki nama hasna mulai ngim ong ba baro nilai bit abiang lu nang bun ki badon kam ke jingerap the day halo katakan urem bangasim ya kan senjam but kajinge syong ke jongi si perlok bani perkat sani ba but hakabakut ni sim ya karai badai limba jo kan ke parti ka mangila ban yo but kepala ban yarap nak unta ki bandung ki besok apo asnang ulah ke jongi de ngingi skam ba kani ke senjam ke bang ngingi sementa om dai bang isulong kerki lane ngisu tur rumah ngiken rup rumah kani ke parti handai ngira pekat ba pusan ma ba dai halo kata kanong rem ke bang isami syakmat hagan ke sni ban perskam ni kum pita ki kam jong kamulan
Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Urikman Jimomen ulapan syai bagi BJP kamdon kanu kejingtu ban keringi ki MLA ki badan lang hak sarkar senrop ni ban pencelur ki MLA na keseng NPP ni ki MLA na ke TMC banwan penyesono sya ke BJP. Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Urikman Jimomen ulapan syai bagi BJP kamdon kanu kejingtu ban penpra ni keringi ki MLA na keseng ki badan lang hak sarkar senrop kata ke NPP. Bak kampen seluruh yak MLA ke NPP ban penyeso BJP. Ula kedua bagajing temu ban penpran dan pentut eksorkar senrob MDA kalong ke bamdai hak sen pertai. Umumen ula kentat ru iki kubor basa priang halo ke jingdon ke jingekran bat ki katu kan iki MLA bamenta baki kuak banwan rung syaka BJP. Da ke bakadau bagi MLA na keseng TMC kemdan ke jingekran bat ke BJP. Wala kadang kejing perkat alor kejing kalah hak sen pertai haswa ke election MLA ke banlong hak senam arhajar arpupra. Kani kejing pensyai kalong hadin balami kejing kenok na kikat tu kani kinong yalam ke BJP haga jela kibalakam bagidan ki MLA barang syang syuki menta kebiakaran bat ke BJP ban penyesok haswa ke election haga jela.
Number is very much clear here in Meghalaya, so I cannot reveal the numbers right now. I'm telling you, see, you will get this type of questions during 2027 ending only.
But
I think that is not true because we cannot break NPP because they are our alliance. We want to work for our people in Meghalaya. So disturbing the MD government, that will be a very unethical, or what you said, it will be unwise to do that because we are alliance and we are working happily with the government, and government is trying to bring up lots of projects to the government.
then how many whether TMC MLAs are in touch with you, because that also there are speculation, lot of speculations keep on.
See, there is a speculation always.
So whether
I think from 23 speculation is that Dr. Mukul joining, but till now it never happens. So every day all news are coming. I am seeing where I haven't known about.
but is the group from TMC in touch with BJP?
Right now, there was no one is there.
From TMC.
James.
Halor ke jingdawa ban pentrai kamek enalain permit a Meghalaya ke BJP haga jela kali itu bakal ekran bak kesorkar pedeng ban pan kilat jingada ki bakham klan kenang ban khanglat ya ke jingwan rong bean jugi beru banabar da ke bapen kesan bak keseng kedon kenong rem ban empriang satya ke jingwan rong bean ki menderi Urekman jimomen ule itu bagaseng kelada pentip lupa syak kesorkar pedeng halor ka jingdon kam ban snai ke we kerkom trekam ke batikena ban kemi batel kam ya ke jingwan rong bean jengki beriau syak jela Katkom ke jingong umomen kinong yalam ka BJP na gejela kila kentui ke sorkar pedeng ban penbiang kilat ban kemi bnia bat ban penbet tikena ban khanglat ke jingwan rong bean jengki beriau syam Meghalaya.
So that one I will not reveal right now. I'm just working on it. Let's see.
But are you taking up with the center?
Look, it is already been there. So naturally, for the benefit of our people, we have to work it out. I'm not going to say it's an ILP, but some mechanism, as earlier I've already told you, some mechanism will have to be there to check this illegal immigration. Illegal infiltration.
Center is very concerned about this illegal infiltration. So, in this regard, have you spoken anything to center?
Yes, we have already informed.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak senyau balang dhar ula pentip bak kesorkar kalapan ni kejingbit bani kendo yu Menteri kesorkar pedeng ubak kemi ketenat kol ban kerpat ban penkelano iki kendon ti doyong kenang bagi nong ti doyong kibaret Kejela Meghalaya kini alat ban sedang biang ya kakam ti doyong nolor kene ulang ban seplat pat ba no ya palat khat santli gi bos batamai ban pensuk iki pat ba ha kalit kawan ha keleng jong kanong ba shilong Kesorkar Meghalaya kalawat por bani kendu yu Menteri ketenat kol kesorkar pedeng da kejing temu ban penbor halor kejing penkelai ki kendon ti doyong kenang ban pelat ginong ti doyong ke bedon ki jaka ki barit ha kejela kene kesenjam kalong hadian kejing yelang ka peseiso habreng usembut Menteri Rangba obak senyau kalang dhar bat ki kenon nong khayi kumjuk kinong ti doyong naga than rilom khasi jantia bat garo Kini kikenhuan kila kedau bagerkom ti doyong scientific mining kamla Menteri kam Meghalaya namar kedawai kijaka kibahe abha bat ko open cast mining ke bomla ban Menteri kam Satya namar kerukom long jong kijaka kebaker pangha kejila Nakaliang sebut Menteri Rangba uli tho bag sorkar jela kan kentu ke sorkar pedeng ban penret no ya ke jingbo da kijaka kebahe ban ti doyong ban ai ke bor syak jela kinang menyo ai license hina ke bentang kinong ti doyong ngi par doyong ki berit kibran hak nenggasan do nyo hektar kejaka ula benrap ru bag jingkhang ti doyong kala keta ajor ya kayo kokot bat ke penjenjar gi pat ba lada ke sorkar pedeng ke sya ini ke jing penkela ke sorkar jela kan wat benia ki rukom ti doyong ha ki wei pat ki jela kinang manchnai ke rukom trekam ke bapaka rengkat ke jinge selok bagi nong ti doyong ke bdi tradisional Menta ke sorkar Meghalaya kadang api kepor bani kendo bat ban pen snow ya kini kejing terwa.
Kalau kum ni kabay day berketuk meeting belum yang yung CM nama bahagini ki banai beradab kiba peligin ki call tender association lembaga coordination committee juga ki baru ilai reason bergaro kasih berjati ya maka kum belum mutakan ni ka presence formula jongan ni scientific mining imat kam no feasible tersangi nama kalau tu complicated marangi mostly nilai ada rat hole mining tiba beli kiwan oat kiwan nam pendapat sekolah tengah nak kelingin juga for the last 1 month ngala ong atau one daka way but alternative formula what we should do temin gigi siang ilai por la presentnya ka presentation ke joki saya ke presentation kalau ke baik tenan nama ki bon ki mention aku nama ba kawai ki ong bangin di request ke government India ban reduce ya ketuka arspa hektar tam segi sausan akar lambak nang begini lokal jungi bapingin le kila man le mining that was very good idea number 2 kila frame lang bat ki formula hai bat sistem kumnung le kanang ba lambak rat hole mining if possible lambak scientific aspect de location take tu kila present ni sekarang dengan sotunat pau dia tu ipi ba nak lengi kum sarkar ke jing lam chief minister ngi agree ba ketika jing aju mu di bapli tingi mentangin mu du government of India barakala if there is provisions kenapa sarkar India kan island ini ka state government ngin form ngin plan no ke mining la juga ka plan ngin prepare ka plan ber ke mining la juga kum ke basa ka cakaju ni te kata ni la kulat ban follow up immediately dah ada ingin respect baik yo kala 16 madon central laws dan state laws tinggi lagi dengan government tinggi lang CM tinggi lagi pembaiki ingin present lang ya ketuga bagi present minin haga jing beting juga tingin meet up the call minister or the union ministry haga juga pengilang miklu prime minister belum penskowi ke jinga nama apa the present scientific mining is not feasible in the state of Meghalaya kindly give us some special consideration if it is possible kata kada ke jinga good min haga ke jongi nama approach ka tu nimpat experience ke mining baru state and nobody knows what type of mining is yet to come dan dalam ada pas itu sa nakong in perlek swa ka thong jong sarkar ka tu por nakong in live say ka pa yes we accept it hanya la poi ka tu system bar ka long kisa ka ni ban sing hamu be so komen on dia for request kata ada ke ding ulah jun government
Sembut Menteri Rangbak Kejelau bakami ikatanat penroisor bat transport ubah senyawa balangdhar ulapan bena bapalat katsan teli bas betamai on supply pat ba ano na doga elektrik unaitung na ISBT kibaan penyat kilenti bagi Jakarta mai hakelenganong ba Shillong hagabay de bakane ula kentu jor ikitanat boper kiba pendan kami ni bas sarkar kum ga planning municipal muda bat kibay kumjur ikinong penyat biginong nya bas bakin pitngor kin sumar bat kin maramat bahai ki bas jongi kibala don lupa kenang bakin emput neklalong kibamla subentri kam uba senyawa balangdhar ule turu bula khot egejing yalang ban bishar bnia hau benai belalet lo gejing long jingman jing di bos da gejing temu ban penti kena bagi long bapaka bagi internet kenang bagi nong nong wan kini omen siam ban pedon kam yaki ban ul kerpat dia baru akibari ban pet ban shim gejing kit klia ban penek pensa ya kini kali nang ni syakmat
meeting from time to time with the bus operator or with the driver, we request them the bus should be maintained properly, nicely. It should not be in such a manner after only 1-2 years, only the bus should be condemned. So we keep requesting the one who look after the bus. So that is on the job from the department. Even this last one I called meeting on this, make sure all the bus should look perfect, should look nicely. People would like to sit on it also. Now the buses are worried. It seems on 3rd July. I'll inaugurate the new buses with different line. As inform you in ISBT, it's on 3rd July 11 o'clock. I'll be releasing another bus with different routes. 15 plus, more or less. Because frankly speaking, some of them from planning, some of them from municipal, some of them from Moda. This mix is not the same for all. With the new reply to you, we are requesting them they should maintain the bus properly. Will be there, even the old bus, but number one, we have to check their fitness. If they are still fit for use, we will use it. If yes, if some of them are not fit for use, even if yeah, we can condemn it, no issue for that. That we keep checking from time to time.
Kesenjok kirang bakur ha kesnipalai jong katayau kelalit ikendo yau Chief Executive Member Kajante Hills Autonomous District Council ubak Thombor Siwat. Bandawa Banwara Ekaan Banyada ya keriti jong kerukom aijat cakakemir ku majule rekejat bendriau trairi trai muluk kejela naduk kipor mencuah. Ka senjok kirang bakur hapok kejengilamu presiden uba RL Karpran, General Secretary uba Rafael Warjri, kilali yakendo ya Chief Executive Member jong ke Jante Hills Autonomous District Council ban penpau kejing dan kam Banwara no Ekaan Banyada penklan kerukom aijat cakakemir kablong kebenta jong paya ke emlang salang kalariti begeriti dostur jong pat kasih penar. Kinangalam kesenjok kila banjur ke jengdan kam bandon di kebor terikam kiban aji itu ono ke dorbar kur ban penkuk bor kirang bakur ban pendap ya ke kamram ba kejeng ke kle haga ban penne kerti dostor kalariti bat kerukom aijat. Kesenjok kala penpau bagadon ya kejengit ke baskam bagani kejengwan ra akaan kan penklan ya kerukom terikam kabalong tenrai bat kan ya rap ban pentikna bagajeng ai pateng syaki kentai kandang beteng nak benta ki pateng bandang wan.
Nyawan dari Sukia, kalau ke jengki win dari sini, kalau ke jengki jaj, now apa, kebala jengki win dari sosial media ruh dari sini. Kum kejaj real, betul betul kah, tim real terblay, berkamai ke hok. Yang kalau kalau rem bagi pulang kuma, entai try, jaj ke kami. Ini lekat pala pendek persak ni, weru, ya ku kejaj ke berdan ke dorbar ke hekur, hari long jentia. Berkepang ya terisi dalam di bawah semua. Bagi trilang skin lagi tu sikaman sekalian kembang keladon pakai CDC pendek persa. Kita riti itu story semjan dekat kami. Ya weru ya ke JCGC. Bagi ni lek lang kunta hang ba. Kalau we berteman longdian mandin tidak menjadi penolong sosial koleksional.
La Khasi Hills ni da esong ke jingyalang halor kini ke isu. Bat kini ke isu mentang isu ko amba kakta tang yani ko hasil. Anrai kakta hi ya ka beri neutral baro kawai. Kumtang ni wan kang mentang sini banyak kendu di CM betul betul jom ka Jante Hills Autonomous Council. Bat ni don bok subon bah ka jingya kendu i don lang deputy CM EM bat mengi kumni kumngiadan akan kapor presiden jumi secretary jumi executive member jumi wan lang kumni bat kejing temu ke bakongsan ke jumi kumwan si kalong mengipan ya kejing kersha ke keti kabon ke keti ke diang na ka diang ke Jante Hills Autonomous District Council bahkan kersha yang i Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council markani cái ai chạy sẽ có cái cầm đây các bạn gia đang xem cái đây các bạn nado handa handa bắt cái này các ta ya cái im lang cái sa lang ya cái culture ya cái dostur kiriti di jami bắt nghiêm qua ban penduk ban pendam ki belele ruang kumtang ismo pada cái jingwan cái jung isani hadin ni kendo iki bat ni somo ke boleh ba habai keren bagi ni sompo saya kedar ba nakakmat ko samskri jong iru ba ila airu ya kejengkula ba nakaliang Jante Hills Autonomous District Council kin simkiai kene ba kin kersyam ya ka jingdawa ke jong iru kumju tin nakaliang ke jong iru nila pensngau hi nila keliru hato nakaliang jong ki kur kiwahe kur jong gari jantia kilawan na shafi di yatu kilawan but naga dia menjungi di ong ngiru ni yatre rengkat but ni support iki punta ni german but ni community baka aka kebabha but kebaklan kan mi nakaliang ka jongpi hagaju ka poro nakaliang jonga ngalong ngabatu ka bos jong secretary jong ka sunjok dinong sensasnong babri neutral marka niru kala akta ingi ba dang benen ne mensisni kami iskawai pat kaan bapmi nariang ke KCDC habe dai ba kijaka kiputa haba kayadi kaytiet kaytho kayatar ba kim don borsu ki sim kerang ba snong bat kiwai ti kani ke company kawai kaan halor kawai pa ngem tep kai ke chung bat kanialam syai Nakakadaw ni nakaliang ka jong ni menta na Khasi Hills bat kumjo ro na Jeti Hills ni aware iki Brio jong kiba don po ka brio nyopra nakaliang kisunjok kirang bakor man nakaliang kisunjok ki no sinsar snong ka brio nyopra ba ngin yasno tilang hakani kejing dawa kejungi ba day ban penduk pendam kumini ke ba kta ya ka lawai jong gari berkejat bendera.
Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Penmi Boarding Gejala Sanjay Goyal hakasi palai jong tayo. Ulang baki investigation wing jong Ketenat Penmi Boarding kala kemi benia man lagasngi. Bantai lakam ya kejing syatu boarding habar aku Gejala kebalawan rakyat kejing donong ya ka MEECL. Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Penmi Boarding Gejala Sanjay Goyal ula pentep ba ketenat kala penlong ya kejing kemi benia meman lagasngi leng bak investigation wing bantai lakam ya kam tu boarding ha Gejala berokawai. Tang hakikat tu kini kejaka hari lom garo. Ula kedau bagani kejing tu boarding wala kala ban kamduna dari kawalam ya kejing donong ya ka corporation bat ka penkit kejing kit kabakia kliang kapisai kinong tang boarding kibasio bat le hok. Kumta ula kerpat kipat ba ban pentip ikano kono kejing tan bean ya ka boarding kenang ban la ban chimigi senjam ban pasio ya kejing donong. Bat ban kta ya kejing ajing syakri. Ha kabedai pat bagajeng dawa samar sangma na West Garo Hills ban wengno ya ka Sai Computer Limited namar gijing keno ahlor kajing bamya renti kajing sam boarding ba kajing lum turmor ya ka bai penan kam boarding ka ba klem ya ha bat kabil Sanjay Goyal ulitho bag sarkar jala kala thau ka committee hapo kajing penyaj jong chief engineer ka West Zone ban tokit ekani ula pentep bakat kum kajing tep ulayo kato kani ni kajing ki bedai ba kajing sam boarding ba karukom aibil lada ban penbet no namar kidai kidau shnong ba kajing long kamariang bat ula kular bagian abe ka kai pot jangka komiti ban kemi benia kajing bagi pat ba ke kendo ka ba ketenat kalong ka ba kloi ban chimkia bat penbet mardor.
And we have set up a committee under the chairmanship of the chief engineer of the West Zone. Let us await for the report and what I have got it recently from the chief engineer that some of the issues were related to power supply. Most of them have sorted out because of some local issues and the weathers and all. And certain issues related to billing, let it be examined by that committee and let's see what kind of problems the consumer are facing. We are there to help out the consumer and any such issues which have been raised by the consumers will be definitely taken into account and we will resolve them. Investigation wing, not only in the DF areas which are just very small areas, in the entire corporation, we do this as a routine and daily kind of activity because this is a direct loss to the corporation. And through you, I would like to again appeal to the public that those who are the genuine consumers, they face the problem because of these kinds of illegal practices by a very few of them. I'll say that it's not very common. It is happening in certain areas. We are taking up the activities which are mandated to us under the law. The Electricity Act allows us to take action against such kind of individuals who are allowed into illegal theft of the electricity. This is not allowed under law. It brings loss to the corporation, and at the side by side when the corporation is at loss, it brings more financial burden on the genuine consumers. Because somewhere somebody is sort of like getting impacted. So, I mean, this is a practice. We have our investigation wing. We keep on checking these kinds of illegal activities, if you name it so. And then we raise the compensation bill also. People pay it also.
Hakajing kendo bagilat patai kubor Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Boarding Sanjay Goyal ulito bagajing temu jang ke Infrastructure Summit. Balapinlong dak sarkar jela kalong ban walami ketenat sarkar pedeng ke jela kathan stela mingi bagi kenhuan karkhana hakawi rensan. Kenang baniselok halor kilat ban penroi bat yakijing dan kam jang kathan. Kani kejing elang ke baarsngi kadi ke balapinlong ha barok ketenat sarkar pedeng ke balapha degi he officer ban peniat ya kejing yatai ban wat benia bat ban sengutho kisenjam ban penslur ban wara ki kam penroi bagi sarkar Meghalaya bagi jela kishim. Nagani kejing elang ke sarkar ketemu ban penmi ekawe ke kaipot ke ban lam khamat ban pensyai halor ki lenti ban penbiang ya kejing duna kemudian kam katkum kerkom long jong kathan stay lam mi. Dalor kani ula kedau ba kejing mut jong kibriau halor kabay pisa kala bak sarkar kala pentri kam ya ka investment promotion policy ya ki arsnam ki blalet khnang ban pensuk ya ki kam ki jam ha ki jing phliu jingmut baki bagi tanat bak sarkar jila kan thopru ka jingalang jong ka UNNOTI tai ru halor ki jing baki MSME kidang artatien ban shimram bad lara aru ikamat pan penkela na revise no ika jing batai jong ki MSME heki jelas tanj tilami kadang ban pensuk bat penbiang sya ki bor ki beri kemi iki kampen roy.
Purpose of the state government was to bring in various stakeholders on one platform, and it was not an investor summit in that fashion, because that's why we called it an infrastructure summit, wherein all the relevant ministries from the government of India, the relevant departments from all the northeastern states, plus relevant stakeholders from the industry side. We tried to bring them on one single platform. And if you have seen the sessions which were divided over a period of 2 days' time, the sessions were also designed wherein the discussions could happen on, number one, what are the available strengths with various states, what are the available possibilities from the industry side, in what fashion they can come and see this place and can explore it and can look forward for future engagement with the various state governments and departments. And thirdly, the most important player, the government of India, wherein various ministries are having interventions in terms of various schemes, and what kind of changes, if at all, are required from the northeastern perspective in those schemes and all. So we have tried to, all the ministries which we contacted, they all have sent senior level officers. They have sat through these sessions, they have chaired those sessions, they have deliberated upon and all. So this is what was the prime objective of the summit, and plus bringing various players which have never explored the possibilities of any kinds of investments because of various, as I've said, various notions are there in their mind. Some preconditioning is there, and also the summit was basically aimed at that purpose also, that let them come and see, let them come and explore, let them come and understand what kinds of policy initiatives the state governments are taking, including the government of Meghalaya, as other states which all have contributed, who all have participated, and then try to understand that what are the opportunities available for them. So this was the main purpose of the summit, and I believe to that extent it has solved its purpose. Now what we are looking forward to a step forward is that out of these discussions which have happened over a period of 2 days time, we are trying to come up with a sort of like some report kind of thing, which will take some time, wherein it can guide us, or it can suggest us what came up, what perceptible gaps the industry is still looking into it, what kinds of things we can still suggest to the state governments if it is within the purview of the state government, or to the government of India ministries if it comes under those purviews. So this is what actually in a nutshell I can mention about the purpose of this summit, and whether the purpose were achieved or not, and what we are looking forward.
We said about
Hashua bin kimi ki kubor ke badangsa ngina pa hashua shipor syakini kijing pemena.
Lele, pikalan.
Kanda pitharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jono kan ni. Ba, ka hospital tinggal ajingai nang ni.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hapsiu kat nama?
Kasurkar kalak siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man kaway pa kaway kaminsim kalong kapakordor.
Hashua bing nikmi ki kubor ki bedangsa ngin pengen mau biang ya kimat bakongsan jong kubor mentah ketayo. Ya ki project babain syabar ne ki externally aided project ki jelai kapan sia tang spon kispa ong ka menteri Kelatan ka Sarkar Pedang. Om dan jingtmu bare niktan lengdok tongkar ban mino na keseng UDP. Menjur Gajanti Hills Autonomous District Council ke resolution ban kerpat ek presiden ban kelai ki anti marpok kendau. Let penesok BJP MLA berem ke West Shillong constituency. Tur kinong elam ke JCOM SWA cha JHADC dawai ki anti doyong. Jure pusembut menteri rangba ke jelai ki juntua surau. On penyak cipor ki kali na ke jaga urusina. But penkup buram ke KSU ki arp sangut ki samla ke bala pendep ke jing kuliah Dr. Haneya. Ke State Coordination Committee of Coal Owners, Miners, Exporters, Transporters and Dealers Forum. Hagelak sing ublay jeng ketayo kelalit ai dekedor khas hau menteri rangba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban ai jengmod ban shimigilat kelinti kenang ban la ban plebiang ya ka kamti doyong hakane ke jela. Haga arpu terik ujeliau arhajar arpun riau ke State Coordination Committee of Coal Owners, Miners, Exporters, Transporters and Dealers Forum. Galit benekendo markamat iu menteri rangba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ban pensngau bat IT ke jing thok ke bekentop ik jing ai jingmod halor ke jing ti doyong ha ke jela. Hakabedai bakaneu Dr. P. Nong Tudu beriu advisor ke Jantia Coal Miners and Dealers Association uliat ho syaginong tok kubor. Baga forum kelas ngokemen ban bu gini gijing ai jingmod kenang ban pensuk ya kerukom terikam. Ulapen kan mau baga dan gijing ong baga jing ti doyong kelas akta na dok kesenam arajar kat kendai. Ndai kata kalong tang ladadan ke jing bot renti ki kendon an baro. La kalong ki an ke Sarkar Jela na ki an jong ke Sarkar Pedang. U Dr. Nong Tudu la kubor ya kini gijing shisha. Penban udah ong bau sngodai ban penpau bahabala pet bat bisar benia ekerukom bat kendau ke jela kumjo ke jingnong jingman jingnong ti do yong hi kadang ke jingdan kam ban penbet thamai ki kendon halor kini kenong rem ka forum ke lebo ke jing kerpat ke Sarkar lengba ke jing ai jingmot ke batmu beneda ya kinong trei be kinong bela ban pendek pensak pada ya kemariang pada ku juga por ban kentio ke yok ke kot ke pencisha ke Sarkar kan om nong ya ke khajna na ke jing ti do yong na kaliang ke Sarkar Jela kalakular ban bishar bat pet benia ikini ke jing ajing mot shwa ban chimi senjam bat ke forum kedan ke jing kermen ke baskem ke Sarkar kan diang ya ke jing ajing mot ki bakala IT
tapi kan lu araja katsau hadu arpun riu mta kalong karar senang ti ka Sarkaru nimla wacu ang ba tambangi dawa mangi le no menta kan simi ke pojong ka ba bangi hidupti baik kan ni kanam dei shu kumbare ki por ki barale amangi sutra uni chief minister uba menta ukran shai baik ini ni kijing kijungi nyele kat ba ploy la ndei shu de ki snap kumalong ki por barale ba ula initiate ru ya ka kam kabiri ban le budwot ba mane hakmat jongi namar mane ndei tang ya kandu chief minister ni ai ru ya ka memorandum so but halor kata haru ula tha ya ka department ka bari baik dengan ni mining and geology ban le no itun kam budut kumala ekran Dr. Nong Tudu bahwa tu advocate general ru ula simkhia ini nakam ba uru baik ki an ki ba long ki ba de Sarkar Jela pari bede jong Sarkar kami kenang ba kani kar kom bersang ji ban yo ban tipeng riyong kar long ploy kat bala kajing yang jong forum kayang apa borok ki no redo ki baret ki pedeng buat ki bahe teladon ki seng buat ngalor jungi ki balik ya kendo ya ke Sarkar dak kawai pat ka jingtua jingkwa jingdawali jongki ada kan kambiang kali ki ngimdan iwan komen sebelum
Pi kawai ba apa ke Sarkar ke sina ke angkam la ban sina tanah benta we asion no asion ka ban sina dak ta ke state borak kawai tengi scam ba ka kalong jenvindi ke dega jingi kendu jongi menne namar kila don nadu ki hai Sarkar ki bahak ki badai ban pet ki department ki bakar bar khamta meng ilayo ban ikendu bar siam tengah thra ka sonong rimi ke dega jongi manada ka kalong ke Sarkar ka wanra agni ka small scientific mining kan no hi ka jing mentoy pet ba jong ka state borak kawai om yang no action ila pun pau hau siam baladangi phai sha ka paragraph 12A section B jong ka schedule ka kransha balang ba ka notification jong president jong kari India ila ban yo ka exemption tanaka liang u CM lo ula ong ya u advocate general jong ka state bu unsimkia ke negakam ban pet legal procedure kumno ban benginla ban ya kran berka Sarkar India kena benginla ban sinaya ka anya po ka nega state ke jongi namar ban inujor ka state jongi berkawai kalong ka ba hayang iban pentrekam ya ke nega MDR Act ledaka kumbang ila pun pau syah si ameneng ila ong ila da kadon ka political will kam don jing ban examine ni nama radang iphai ka citizenship amendment act ka sarkar India kala exam yang iga mekhalia na kada bangi degi sectional area takam don jing kaju ka procedure ka sarkar India kala ban apply akan nega kam jong ka amendment act beda ki don kata ka political will
ka proposal jongi ya ka bangila ai hei bat ila respon ha kata gadur ka ba penhun mensem yingi da ka ba yong hoi ya kene kaju kajing temu ngila sedang ban yit benia ya kilat kelenti kumnu ban pili biang ya karukom ti dewyong nadu katukan new tarik jawabnai April haden baka JCMDA rengkat ki pralok kilayawan sendran lang ban perlong ya kajing lang pai ba angte ya dia wes ha kleriat na kabenta ban pli ya dewyong bat ngis ngeu kemen wat arang impat ya kendu i ha tu ko poru andre ila sim kia ya kene kekam chu ila peteng ba ha kajing sisa ya karukom ti dewyong ya kajing ti dewyong hapok ke jela me khalaya la pelait na dus nem arajar kat khandai bat ya kaniru la pen sisa da kajing rai jong ka Supreme Court ba lasya banti dewyong tang ba de banti ha kani ka juk ka batmai dan ka scientific coal mining hoi ngis ngemu ru ya ka sarkar jela hapo ka jingilam jongi chief minister bonon brum jongi ha kasnem RPO atusan ila pelai ya ka rukom ti dewyong ka bangikot ka open cast mining framework hoi ha ka jing sisa kalong ka jikumen ka bakrau namar ka jing pelai banti dewyong Andre POC kane ka jingkmen jongi kam ne slam habaya nujor bat ka jinglong jong ka khandeu ka siap bat ka jingdon jong dewyong bat ka jingrben ka jingstang jong dewyong kane ka open cast mining kam sha bat kam aila ya ginong ti dewyong jong kane ka thain bat ka jala jongi baro ka we te na kata kadau wat lagi don ka jingkmen ka ba sikendet por Andre penban kamlong ka ba ai ngi ka jingkmen Andre wala kataru ngi penpau biang kajing snyungu baha kane kajing ya kren jongi kalong kaledon kadru u attorney general lomba ka online meeting bat iru ha ko ba chief minister bodon borom ila pan jimun i halo kane ka proposal jongi bat i chief minister ila ongru yangi ba ya kini kajing tho jongi kbede bat kane ka proposal in sa ai ya ka ha ka department ka badai ban pe ya ki mau ka siap na ka benta bakin nang puli bnia su ki ki an ki kendon ki badon kam ban thep ha ka ni ka jing tho jongi nang bangin la ban pun urlong ya ka haden ka jing ya kren ru lomba ka online bad EAG kam tamat chief minister ki chief snap ia ong kadon ne em kalat na ka benta kane ka proposal kabala submit na kini kiseng doyong kabas ngeu tenat ka ong ba u EG ula kobur ula ong hooi idom ki an ki kendon ke bangin la ban peteng biang ya kane ka jingelang jongi hakwe pat ki por namar ba kidon ki an namar ngimte ki ru an ngimla ban yitu wong kidon ki an ki bangila ban penrung hang ni kenang ban la ban penhun ya kijing don kam jong kita ki ak ki bapher ki wede bat ka government of India bat ka government of Meghalaya bat kum taru ila panbor na chief minister bodon borom iong singwa ban syai be in puli iru ila kerpat in puli benia ya kene kenang ba in la ban penrung ya kato kane gi ain na ka benta ba kane ka jing dawa ban peli biang ya ka jingti dewyong bahkan long sisa ka jingkmen ya ka ni ka thain jongi baro te ka jing kerpat jongi ka proposal ru ngi klem ong bangin nombot ya ki an ki kendon nrengi kerpat hi ba kat kabala kamtam kini ki nong song senong jongi sini ha ka jing de bat kalan holding system kalong ka barit bat kum juru ha ka jing de bat kayo ka kot ru kim de ka be kot bor nrengi da buru ka jing kerpat ba lada kalong kabala ya kaneka special legal framework for regulating small scale scientific underground coal mining kade ban urlong lada om barok kari India ru andre ha kejela Meghalaya jongi ka dewan long tekum ju i chief minister da ka jingkmen ila ong hoi ngila sedang banyak lenti ke ni kam bat ngingej skem ba hagi kendiat sngi ka ne ka jingdawa jongpi bat jong ilang borok na government ru kim kwa banyak i ba ki bru jongi kin yap ngan nrengi ru isi tom ha ba ki bru jongi ki yap ngan bat ngidon ka jingkermen ba kane ka jing plio de yong kan sa long kan su urlong ha ki por ki ban sawan hadin bagi la puli bnia ya kani ke proposal bala summit menta gasni da kani ke sing de yong jong pi tai tadi ki jela ki jong nega rilom kasi jenti abat Garo Hills.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma kesimpali jung ketayo. Ulalit Kejela Telangana banjurep ikurukam pentrikam ya ke Integrated Command and Control Center. Pat ula penpau ya ke jingdon kam bandon no ya kum kane ka center ha Meghalaya ban pendon kam ya ki core keyboard technology bat ka jinge trailang jung kitenat agaban ai jing syakri ya ki patba. Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong baga sarkar jela kan persyang menbuat penwandur gitup terikam bah kemat ayat jangka Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center ICNCC ha Meghalaya. Haga ba ula penya seria megane kejaga peniat kum kawai pat nikid usaha babhata magari kabapenan kami kikor kibor baga jingi trailang haga jing ai jing syakri pat ba. Haba ulah hiar jurep ya ka ICNCC ha Hyderabad Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagani ke center ke peniat bat penjisha kumno ki core keyboard technology ke jing peniaso ke data na jing tip baga jing trailang ha penang kita nak sarkar kala banken tiau bat penbahas sibo ni kurukom sensyar khadar banken penstat ke jing ai jing syakri sipat ba nong snong. Menteri Rangba uloong bagani ke jaka ke peni ki nuksan ke benta ki jela ke bakwa bentuk kela thamai ya ki rukom sensyar lengba ki core keyboard. Ka Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center kabala syem ba kadai na kum kiwen ki jaka peniat bah kemat tamakari kawalam bat penia soalang ki tenat sarkar ki babuan ha kawai gerensan ban pet ngor ban pendet bat ban pembiang ki jing dawa ke bedai ba ke jing syakri pat ba ke jing sensyar ha ke juk kapor.
So we are here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, and without any doubt this is most probably one of the best integrated command and control centers in the country, because it's not just the technology that they are using out here, but it is the system that they have developed to really coordinate and really ensure that the aspect of governance is improved and made better by ensuring technology is used, departments coordinate, and the overall services that they want to provide to the people become better. So it's a great example which I think many states should learn. And therefore I have come personally myself to see the work going on here, and I can assure you that we will try to replicate as much as possible from what we have seen here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center and try to replicate it back in our state of Meghalaya.
Komisi Benta Banele ban penklan bat ban penya regajli trekam jong keseng. Hagala asngi ublay jong katayo ko All Meghalaya Master Roll Progressive Workers Union kalapen skam megatanat trekam gabatamai ka Shillong Unit. Kenang bagin beteng ban chimkia ban penbor ik sarkar bagin sngap ya ke jingdawa jong inong tre Master Roll. Ka All Meghalaya Master Roll Progressive Workers Union ha ka arku artrek ujliau arhajar arkun riau kalapen kha bat pen skam ya ka tanat trekam gabatamai jong Shillong Unit. Rengkat ka jingjet iginong kitkam na kabentaka samoy trekam ka balai senam. Kenang ban pen klan josyo kerensan ban penbor ya ke sarkar bagin sngap ik jingdawa jong ki. Habakren ha kinotho kubor General Secretary Jong ka All Meghalaya Master Roll Progressive Workers Union uba Nazarius Kelanong uliatho bagamat ka ba kamat ya ka ba kasenjok ka netrei bat penled jingmut kalong halor ke jingbam yat bet yaranti karukom yo tulop jong ki Master Roll ha kejela ulapen pau ke jing sokya bagi nong trei ki kendo e ke jing syak kentat bat ki jing e ke bakrau namar nado ubenai leber ya yong bat jemang hadu gini kisngi kelempat yo ya ketulap ke jengki kabala kelalong ke jing stom ya ke jing im jengki uba Nazarius Kelanong ula syeme ke benta ban pen skemru iginong kit kam thamai jong Shillong Unit hagene ke jing jet iginong kit kam thamai uba Dondor MCM ulabat ya ke kam presiden uba Ban Kerlang Karni Vice President ba Hercules Zawian General Secretary, kong Mary Ani Nongkendri Assistant General Secretary, ikong Rida Nongsiet Treasurer, bat kong Wanda Majau kum ke Assistant Treasurer. Rengkat bat kiwei pat kinokit kam.
Nakaliang jungi kum ka all my khlaya ngidap dakal jing so komen ka bakram ba ngila nang yo shushu ban penyar ni ka tanat trekam hangni ha Shillong City ni kmit lenti ba nges hem ba lengba ka jingdon jong kani ka kenhun ani ka tanat trekam jungi hani ha Shillong kanang yarap yangi kum ka on mi khlaya banang ma ban kham trei kham ha ya kikam ha ka bayade bat ki mastrul ha ka state hi barok kowe te na kaliang jungi isno ban pesno tang katahi ba ni layo ya kata jingjo ban yo ya ki noyalam bat ban yo ya ki nongkit kam ki badai ha kanika Shillong City barok kowe samoy trei kam milay bo kumbajulong hi hapo ka Central Body jongka on Meghalaya ngibu license ka kerta bakin kit ya kakam. Kabaningkong ti kamat ka ba ngingi ya kendo kumi mastero na kapor sya kapor ka bayadehi bat ka tulok. Kumakalong mentaro nadu ubana April ume jankut sauni Jun ngimpat yo ka tulok. Bon hi ki khamtam ki peludi bat pishi ngimpat yo tulok hadu kini kisni te kita gidi kimat kiba nagapor sya kapor kendo jing te ladang ngimdon kum ka kanhon ka bumot ngimnomla ban presko ya kini ki bat shushu hangani kapor kwa ban sim ka kabu ban ya tu ya pi ba nakaliang jongi hagini ki por ki balalej ngilaya ya syakhamat haga ban presko ya kimat jing dawa syak sarkar lengba jong ka JSC ka JSC ka bumut ba ka all Meghalaya bat ka all jantia ki donlang kawai ki form ka JSC ngila ya lenti hangni ki por ki blade baro bat ka por ka bangin penkut na ki JSC ngila bo bangin penkut no ha ka life tarik jom mentau jun tenang ta ka daw kumbangila sedang ya ka JSC da ka general meeting bat ngi ku aru ban penkut ya ka JSC da ka general meeting ka bangin sapelong ya ka general meeting ka bangin penkut ha ka arpunyo tarik mental benai ha po politeknik Darbal Hall nakali yang jungki all gentiaru kila ong ba kila kloy ban trailang no ban ngi ka on Meghalaya kila kular ya kata ban ngirung community ba ngilong lang no kawai ha ka shetri jong ka on Meghalaya Master Progressive Workers Union ting community ba katai kasngi kanong ka bajok ba ha katai hi ka jo kasngi ngelarai mana kaliang jungiru ki all Meghalaya Master Progressive Union ngin sap pentamai no ya kinong kitkam hakatai kesengi ngin yo ya ka body ka batumai bat ngin traikam dakani ka body ka batumai
Kakasi Students Union Neya Unit hakala sengi ublai jong katayo kalapen ku buram ki arp sangot ki samla kasi ki bala pendep dio eka kerdan doktor naga Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Neya Shillong lengba ke jing trishtam met bat mensiam jong kini samla ka KSU Neya Unit hak arpu artrek ujeliau arhajar arpun riau kala penlong ya ke jingelang ban pen ku buram ki arp sangot ki samla kasi ke bala pas bha bat yo eka kerdan doktor naga Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Neya Shillong hagani kasi lawan ban longkong sandu ba poleng do presiden barim ka KSU bat WMLA ka West Shillong constituency haga jingan rekat General Secretary Barim ka KSU ba Donald V. Thaba kumusumbut kongsan nang talay don rengkat Director Keneya Profesor Vijay Kumar nang elam berdikot ka KSU bagi samla pulih. Habakran kene kesngi ba poleng do ula ai ka jingero ki samla ki blatrishdom bat poi syakatong banyo ya ka kerdan ka jing pulih jengki ya ka BAMS bat ka BHMS. Habakran kene kesngi ba Donald V. Thaba ula ai ku blai ki samla kibala yo ket yuso jaga jing trishtom bat kenturu ikini kisamla ba kinang trishtom shosho aga jing em bat iki berang shuwan ban pule ba kemdai bandu jing kermen na ka jing duna kisamla kasi ya kene jaga pule ndrei kidai bandan ka jing etli bat ban trishtom
kadai ke ultimate purpose ka jing tu ka ba khliet du jong ka jing bujuni lada ka jing tu ka purpose juga jengkem kejuki kalau kuliah yokam lum penerus pak atau kalau biarnya tak kumta lada kalau kumta kebriu kepala bit lebih lupa ke Florence Nightingale kanum hosniu bahkan lain manhak mansumar yang kisipai kibatia haki hospital haki conditions kiba sniu ha but kiba bun lagi apa dah gajing mensau but akan tunir coba jingya jika kuat bangan berkembang ulang kumni Globe badan bok, bah ngidon hanya di kamera, lagi borok lagi ngidai kibabian, kikti kikejat, kebor yui snow, kebor kekam. Andai nak kuat bangin geli lagi, lagi nak berkuingi arteli kikti, atau kikti Gila syubian pun tangguan tak kti lagi jenggelan. Ne gitu kti gila kita ne gila empat ne gila kenir ne segi jengkem jadi beipan. Gidon art lagi kejat. Gila syubian pun begini carum buat chaneng jom ke institut. Lani begitu kejat kidairu berjam syaitan apa jengkem. Giran arteli hikmat kelabian mo begitu ki arteli hikmat kichu scroll di mobile phone baru cisi dan ideiru ban yoi bandon ke vision bandon skutu bagi ni hikmat ki bangi dan kila ban yoi hamsa jengai kenapa bandon ke vision jom pi shimet ban jongi kumbajan Iran artli kiskor kelabian mo begitu kiskor kin sudah skap ke latest gossip ne banda kita ke artli kiskor in your school ya ke genial ya ke dog ya ke sitom jom ke bepat le hero kata kelabian mo bangin don ki rendang berjam sekian tangkat pada keren pada roy pada lani gitu kerenang kidai ne pan atu kulit ya itu kibau undan rensan undan jenis snow undan platform undan paskap iki dari ini kita ke challenge Ahmad Topi stasiun dengan ini belum well armed nak ada institute Gubka Florence Nightingale tetap larat di borok kebab ikut Islam di certificate di citation kaliam bujumpi rakru sa kasyarak kebab itbe renti yaladi kanong duit di duit.
Te parlok dah ketua ngila poe syakabakut jeng ketuk kubor jengi mentah kejan miet ngin se syambiang bat pilih syamtayo kejuk kesngi bat ha kejuk kopor. Kublai shibon kopor jong pi. Chaso.